In which case is number of molecules of water maximum, right? So we will be taking out the mass of water is given to us, and then we'll be taking out the number of molecules in each of the cases, right? So in the first case, mass of water is equal to 18 grams. That is 18 ml is given, say ml 1 ml is equal to 1 gram. So the number of molecules of water is mole into Na, right? So mole is 18 upon 18 Na. That will give you Na only. Now molecules of water in the second part is 0.18 grams, right? So Na will be given upon 0.18 upon 18, that is the mass of your water, right? And this is the given weight into Na. So this will be 10 to the power minus 2 Na, right? So this is absolutely less. Then in the third case, we are given 10 to the power minus 3 moles of water. So that is absolutely, that will be multiplied with Na, which will give you a smaller digit number. So this will not contain many molecules of water, right? And in the fourth part, we are given 0.00224 liters. Right, that is 10 to the power minus 4 Na. So that absolutely will not give. So the correct answer over here is option number 1. That is 18 ml of water.